welcome back. So today, you guys, we are having Zaxby'S for lunch. Y'all, if I look, I'm hot. If I look too bright, please bear with me because I'm still figuring out how to work my camera. I don't really know how to adjust the settings to the lightings yet. Comment down below and, you know, suggest something. I have the Canon G7X Mark II. So anyways, we're having Zaxby'S for lunch. I'm so excited because I haven't had Zaxby'S in so long. It's been like, ooh, the Zaxby's sauce, it's got bigger. It was a small thing, but I haven't had it in so long. It's been like almost a year since I had Zaxby'S and I was craving it. Y'all. All right, I got the wings and things, the boneless wings and things. Oh, yes. I'm so ready to eat that. And a side order of onion rings, but they gave me this huge thing. And my favorite, white cheddar bites. Can y'all see that? Let me move the camera down so y'all could be able to see a little better. Okay. All right, let me see my grace. Amen. I'm so ready to eat. I don't even know where to start. Okay, my boneless wings are barbecue. I don't like hot stuff, so I have a good barbecue. I was gonna do a Chinese mukbang, but I didn't want Chinese food. Got some ranch here, some zestable dip sauce. I don't really know what it is, but their sauces are much bigger than they used to be. And some Zax sauce. This used to be my favorite. Oh, yes. This is the best to dip the onion rings in. This is like my first actual real mukbang sauce right here. I got multiple food today, y'all, because I had told y'all I hadn't had it in so long. I was craving everything. Some marinara sauce. These little cheese things are so good. I love cheese anyway, so. That's right up my alley. Zestable sauce. I've never had this. I think it's kind of like Burger King's zesty sauce. Not sure though. Yep. Look at these little. They give y'all celery. I don't eat celery, but look. They're like miniature pieces. This is so good. I love my fries with ranch. The only dip that goes with fries. I got me a Sprite. She got large. The Zaxby's sauce is good. I'm in my happy place today, y'all. Happy birthday. So me and my sister, we might try the 1 bite challenge. I've never heard of it, but apparently she has. She said it's way, I guess, take a big piece of food and chicken tenders. Eat it. I guess it would be kind of like this. Y'all, that Zax sauce is, oh, it's so good. I love French fries so much. Alright. I don't know where to go next. Ooh. I got a burp, but it ain't coming out the food blocket. My fries got cold quick. My onion rings. Which is a huge onion ring. That's what I like about Zaxby'S onion rings. They're good. No, I'm trying to get better with my upload scheduling. I just be so tired when I get off work. I don't even want to do nothing. Working all day and then you gotta come home, cook, clean. I don't want to do nothing. I'm gonna try this barbecue. Just hopefully it's not hot. Like spicy hot. It's not too bad. It's a little spicy. Ooh. I don't know why they say barbecue. Barbecue is not supposed to be spicy. Especially when it's supposed to be honey barbecue. Man, I miss this. I miss this a lot. Their bread is a little different. It used to be really, really good. It's okay. How many of y'all would like to see the no burping challenge? I want to try it. Just to see if I can hold in a burp. Of course, I'll be drinking a big soda. Trying not to burp. Yeah, I am stuffed. Woo. Dang. Dang. I got 3. I remember these used to be bigger than they are now. Maybe I'm tripping. Since I ain't had it in so long. All right, y'all. I think I've eaten all I can for now. I hate when I drink. That's when I get full. But I just be so thirsty. All right, y'all. I'm ending this video. I'm full. And my daughter's downstairs about to cough a lung up. So I gotta go check on her. But comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.